This was Cameron John Dobson's first day of kindergarten. He just got out of daycare, which is right after school. He does it after school. And so I wanted to find out how his day is. So, how was your day?
Great.
Great. How do you like your teacher?
Good.
In your classroom?
Yeah. Backpack bears in my class.
Backpack bears in your class? Very cool.
I thought he should be in second grade.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
First grade.
So did you see your friends today and play with your friends?
Yeah.
Who did you play with?
Alejandra.
Mm-hmm.
A lot.
Who else?
Eleanor and Hannah.
Two girls named Eleanor and Hannah?
Yeah.
Good.
Because I would follow them and then Alejandra would follow me.
So what was the best thing about today? Best thing.
I like doing the Pledge of Allegiance in the school song.
You did. What was the worst thing about today?
Nothing.
Good answer.
I loved everything.
Yeah.
And we're the most best school in Bakersfield.
Yeah.
I like Hawks.
Yeah. You like the Hawks. We're not Hawks.
What?
What are we?
Eagles. I like eagles.
Daddy's the hawk. We're eagles.
I like the bald eagles.
Yeah.
Those look pretty cool. I want to pet one on their head. That is so cool.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'm glad you had a great day. I'm proud of you. Woo!
Thank you. Don't record that.
I recorded it. It's on tape. That's okay. That's the end of your day, and you landed right on your end.
Okay, that was the worst thing.
Bye-bye.